my business partner and I had heard about Commission Hero from a couple other affiliates that were doing very, very well. And so we decided to take a look and jump into the group. And we were incredibly impressed by what Robbie has been able to do with the affiliate marketing. And let me just show you a quick snapshot of what we've been able to actually accomplish here. And this is just recently. We've had even better days before that. And pretty much, I mean, the group is fantastic. It's very supportive. People in the group are always very helpful. Robbie's always helpful as well. He always lets you know exactly how things are going and what offers are doing well, and offers all kinds of great help if you have account shutdowns, or how to tweak copy, or how to get squeeze more commissions out of sales, things like that. How to run ads even better. Basically, if you're on the fence about getting making even better profits, or getting into affiliate marketing, or really ramping up and supercharging what you're doing right now, I would absolutely suggest you look at Commission Hero and what Robbie has to offer. I don't know that we've ever had as much success as when we were, when we joined Commission Hero. So it's fantastic. I would absolutely urge you to check it out. And you got nothing to lose. Have a good day.